ഇന്നത്തെ സ്പീഡിന് അറിയാൻ വയ്യാത്ത വേർഡൊന്നും അങ്ങനെ ഇല്ല. ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ പിന്നെ അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പറഞ്ഞുതരാം. ഇത് ഞാൻ 2 സ്പീഡ് വായിക്കുവാണ്. റെഡി? The following is the statement by the chairman which has been circulated along with the annual report, profit and loss account and the balance sheet. I have much pleasure in submitting for your approval the report of the directors and the accounts of the company for the year just ended. The training profit is a little above the last year figures and taking into consideration the substantial increase in almost every item of our selling costs, which I may say still show no signs of abating. I think the result that has been achieved is very satisfactory. I had reported to you last year that we had increased considerably and were continuing to increase the variety and the range of goods in which we deal, and you will have observed that the result of this policy is clearly seen in the increased value of the stocks which we are now carrying. I referred last year also to the restriction placed upon us by the quota plan for certain goods. These restrictions, while still in force in a few cases, were reduced during the later part of the year, and as a result we have been at last able to make a start on our program of expansion. Since our last meeting, we have opened and are trading in 18 new branches, and we have a further 20 in various stages of completion, most of which will be trading within a few months, and all of which should be completed by this time next year. In addition to these new outlets, and provided the supply position improves, which I think is probable, we have every hope of making even more openings by the time of our next meeting. As this is the first occasion for very many years that your directors have been able to report on a program of expansion, I think it is right for me to make 2 comments on such a policy. First, the opening of new branches costs a great deal of money in these days. We are, of course, meeting and all continue to meet this expenditure out of our liquid resources, and as our expansion proceeds, these resources tend to diminish, at least for the time being. I am, however, sure that this policy meets with your approval, because the money earned over the past few years has been provided mainly for the very purpose, and it is a great satisfaction to all your directors. My thanks to all the staff of the company. രണ്ടാമത്തെ സ്പീഡ് തുടങ്ങുകയാണ്. റെഡി? Ladies and gentlemen, today my husband and I are leaving I have already said goodbye to many of the people who have looked after us beautifully with much love while we have been here. But I also want to thank as many of the people as I can through this message for the most wonderful reception you have given us. I have always hoped that sooner or later I would have the opportunity to come to India. Now, as this wonderful visit is coming to an end, I have been thinking over all those things which will stay in my mind. My husband and I will take with us all the impressions of places and people. We shall remember some of the great buildings of India which we saw in your country. Many of our favorite buildings were already known to us in pictures. So we looked with much pleasure and interest. Most of all, we were happy by the warm welcome which was given to us wherever we went. There was a wonderful Dasara parade in Mysore, which together with the dances and other cultural shows gave us in an idea of the unity and diversity which together make India. It is much too early for me to form any clear impression of what I have seen. I realize that 20 days in this vast country is too short a time to form any opinion. But one thing is very clear. No one can fail to see that this country is working hard to give a better and happier life for every citizen. This is a very difficult task and there will be no hope of success unless everyone was prepared to work and, if necessary, sacrifice themselves in this cause. I know that the people of my country join me in wishing you rapid progress and the fullest success. I am also particularly happy by the spirit of inquiry which is to be found in everywhere among your younger people. All over the world, there is so much to be done for the poor people, and it is upon the younger people in every country that great responsibility will fall in future. We always welcome those from India who come to live and study among us and who not only learn but also teach us something of India. Thank you.